Hi, I am a private college counselor, and I'm going to show you how my clients begin their services with me. My clients mostly find me on the web. I have a standard inquiry form available on my website. In our scheduling software, there is the ability to create an event with questions. My inquiry form is short: I sell, college, calm. So, even my inquiry questions try to imply low stress. The answers to these questions will later appear in my student's profile in our CounselMore account. I'm sure you've seen a parent give their student's name, but use their email address and other mixed-up scenarios. In CounselMore, it's easy to move names around effortlessly. There's an inquiry now. The student's name appears here. Click on their name and begin the intake process. Remember to track time effortlessly with this simple click. When I'm done with the student's account, I will click the timer again, and the time will be automatically recorded in the Accounting tab. In the Assignments tab, we verify the meeting because our scheduling software has dropped the meeting in as an assignment. Our no-shows for appointments are few. It's hard to miss a meeting that is listed right here in your assignments. If you've added questions in your scheduling event, then the answers will appear in this confidential notes section. Those answers can be carried over to the student's biographical section. The bio banners, as we call them, mimic the Common App. Therefore, the counselor is collecting the information they need and the student is preparing for the application at the same time. From the beginning, we send the parent an invitation to their portal. Parents want to get started, and it saves us time asking questions only the parent knows the answer to. When we begin our first meetings, we have everything we need. These two banners are blue to remind you that these are related to admissions probability and candidate shaping tools. Much of this informs your college list building. There are assessments here that we choose to turn on, and all of this can be exported directly to the student's Google Drive folder. It also exports in a resume format that can be edited or reused in a format of your choice. Throughout the process, we export the biography banners because it is a simple way to show a parent how their student is shaping up on paper, and that can be automated. The course progression planner at the bottom of the biography banners is an excellent tool if your pipeline extends into lower grades. Here, you can plan out courses or you can audit for qualifications. We work with international students as well, and they often have multiple transcripts. Here, we can scratch pad and combine all of the courses and create a complete picture at a glance. This is also extremely helpful when working with alternative schools where they use evaluations instead of grades. I'm going to close the biography banners by clicking on the Edit pencil again. Now we move to the Files tab and we will auto-populate documents directly into the student's Google Drive folder. These are documents we use with our students over and over again. These documents are saved on our company's Google Shared Drive that we connected to our CounselMore account, and now we have access to all of our master copy folders, or directly from the Files tab, jump to the student's Google Drive folder without fishing. We love having everything in one place. Our whole team was tired of copy of and renaming files, so we don't do that anymore. The folder name even updates on its own. Now that the copies have populated, we will move over to the counselor's list. Using questions we asked on the intake form, we will begin selecting colleges to compare on the counselor's list we can already select by name or by search. This is the search screen. There is gap and summer program search, and My Database is an incredible tool that we use to share college information across our team. We keep customized data and we work off each other's research. In combination with the data supplied by CounselMore, we truly have an embarrassment of riches when it comes to college data. We see all our colleagues who are still struggling with list building, and we did it too. But now we build lists quickly and dynamically in collaboration with each other and parents. It's a giant time saver. As a matter of fact, we make several different kinds of lists per student. Years of college tour notes are actually of value to us now because we can search all of our tour notes by keyword. CounselMore has allowed our entire company to capitalize on college research done in-house. We always wanted a way to build on everything each one of us knew, and CounselMore has created this space for counselors to collaborate on student assignments and college lists and accounting. This is the general search of over 3,000 schools and 300 plus information points. The filters are not the usual filters you will find in online college search engines because those search the same tired data over and over again, and we knew we didn't need that. Here you will find what we found, a world built by college counselors. I can liberally pull schools into the counselors list because no one can see them but me and my colleagues. Only the schools I promote to the students list will be seen by the parent and the student when they enter their portal. I could choose to export the college list directly to the student's Google Drive if I'd rather share it with them like that. If I want to change these data columns, I have over 300 choices to choose from, as well as some rare data points I cannot find elsewhere. And we also keep our own custom data. Before I invite the parent to the portal, I do one more thing and apply assignments. The parent will experience firsthand how easy it is to use the CounselMore portal. We believe this smooth introduction is part of the reason our student portal engagement rate is so high. Sure, yes, we still have stragglers, but far fewer. We have a clear set of assignments we use at each phase of the college counseling process. We purchased the CounselMore assignments package because the entire college comprehensive package process was spelled out. We had never seen that before, and it covered everything. So, that is our comprehensive package now. Nothing could have been easier. We pull over routine assignments from our saved bank of pre-written assignments. We auto-apply these welcome assignments. These assignments already have links to our scheduler and directions to our office, but I will also add links directly to the documents in the student's Google Drive folder. It's very easy. I will turn these assignments on by choosing the parent icon and the date of when to make it visible. You can advance any date of your assignments. I'll set a due date for 2 weeks from now on and follow up with the client if I haven't received a notification that the parent completed their portal. And I will check my work using this view bar. This allows me to see directly into the student portal or the parent portal to be sure that things are how I expect them to be. And now I will invite the parent. There, that's done. Initiating and working a new student into your CounselMore account takes about 8 minutes, and some counselors are even faster. If you have other counselors, you can add them very easily with this button. After a counselor is added, you can move students back and forth or change the settings on your account to allow everyone to work in tandem on the students' accounts. As a team, we had a lot of questions, and the CounselMore support team was great about answering through the help button in the app. But once we met with their team, they quickly systemized our process into CounselMore. It was easy. It was easy to train my team on a process that they already knew, and CounselMore asked us great questions, which allowed us to streamline and clean up our process. It was a matter of learning which button to press first, and there was plenty of support for that too. There are free trials available, and there's a whole team to answer your questions online or even jump on a quick Zoom. I hope you enjoy your free trial with CounselMore. I think you'll find much of what we found, which was everything we need.